With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, today we have a question. The question is we have to show that the square of an odd positive integer is of the form 8q plus 1 for some integer q. Yes. Now let us see what can we write our odd integer as if a is an odd integer. Let us assume that a is odd integer. Yes, if a is odd integer, what can we say? For any integer, for any n belonging to integers which is a non-negative integer, because n is non-negative. Yes or no? If n is non-negative, what can we say? We can say that a can be written as, which means a is equal to 2n plus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Therefore, what do we get? A square. A square is equal to 2n plus 1 whole square. Yes or no? Yes. That means which is equal to 4n square plus 4n plus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Now, since n is belonging to I, n belongs to I, we get two cases. Yes or no? We get two cases, which are, let n be a positive even integer. Now, what is our case 1? Case 1 is n is even integer. Yes, n is our even integer. If n is even integer, then what can we say about n? N is equal to 2p, where p is any number which belongs to set of integers. Yes or no? Yes. That means what can we say about p? Yes, now we know that our n is 2p. Now let us substitute that in this equation 1. Yes, what do we get if we substitute n equal to 2p in our equation? We get 4 into 2p whole square plus 4 into, what is it? Into 2p plus 1. Yes or no? That means what do we get here? We get 4 into 4p square plus 8p plus 1, which is equal to 16p square plus 8p plus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Now this is our integer values. Now what can we say here? We can say that, let us take 8 is common. Yes or no? Yes. If we take 8 common, we get 2p square plus p plus 1. Yes or no? Now let us assume here one more thing. P square plus p is some k. Yes or no? Now let k be any number. Let us keep that aside for some time. Now what do we get here? We get 8k plus 1. Yes. Now this is our case 1. Now let us solve what our case 2 is. Okay, what is our case 2? Our case 2 is nothing but n is odd integer. Yes, n is an integer, which means n can be even or n can be odd integer. When n is odd integer, what do we get n? N is equal to 2p plus 1. Yes or no? 2p plus 1. P belongs to some integer I. Therefore, what do we get here? Now let us take here. What can we get? Now here a square. Let us substitute value in here. Therefore, a square is equal to 4 into 2p plus 1 whole square plus 4 into 2p plus 1 plus 1. Let us simplify this. What do we get? We get 4 into 4p square plus 4p plus 1 plus 8p plus 4 plus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Which means what do we get here? We get 16p square plus 24p plus 4. Now here 4 16. 16 plus 8 is 24p plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is, let us keep it 8 plus 1 only. Now what do we get if we take 8 common? What do we get here? We get 2p square plus 3p plus 1 plus 1. Yes or no? Now this can also be written as 8 into, what is our earlier k value? Our earlier k value is 2p square plus p. Now this can also be some k plus 1. Yes or no? From equation 1 and 2. Now this is our first equation and this is our second equation. What can we say from first and second? We can say that square of any odd integer A square of any odd integer is always of the form 8 into k. K can be any value plus 1. Therefore, it can be said that we have proved the thing that square of any odd integer is of the form 8k plus 1. Hope you understand it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.